Ritesh and Harshita, can we start?
Sure.
We can.
Yes. Your video is not visible.
Yeah, just a minute.
Sure.
Yeah, we can start.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. My name is Mukesh Patra, working as a MD and CEO for House Seekers. I want to brief about House Seekers before start. House Seekers is a fastly growing technology-driven company. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 600 happy customers. Our aim is to enable home buyers to make the right choice at right time. We always wish to make home buying journey very simple and memorable for all our customers. And we achieve it by and through assistance. Our valuable team of experts always guide to all our customers to make an intelligent and good choice when it comes to buying a real estate. And we provide you with the right advice based on your requirement with the support of our property search algorithm. At House Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted services. Our thorough and meticulous process always minimize the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge any single rupees from our customers. So now I want to introduce our keynote speakers. Mr. Ritesh is working as an AGM at Lodha Group. Welcome, Mr. Ritesh.
Thank you.
And Harshita Hemnani, she's working as a marketing manager in commercial at Lodha Group. Welcome, Harshita.
Thank you so much.
So, and Harshita and Ritesh, we all are in unlock stage, and we are facing issue of when we all are suffering from COVID-19 panic situation, right? So everyone is at home and everyone is keeping social distancing, and we are not going outside until it is not essential. So I will ask a question, Mr. Ritesh, from you, if you can explain to all our customers why this is the right time, why this is the golden opportunity to invest in real estate.
Thank you very much, Mukesh, for that question. So the COVID-19 pandemic has had a sudden and significant impact on all aspects of people's lives, right? With a lot of people in the world now living under some sort of lockdown, right? And although as a country we are in unlock 3.0, from the recent developments that we have seen in handling this pandemic, it is becoming very evident that return to normalcy will be longer than expected. So in a situation like this, people really want is a sense of security. And real estate is a investment in the current situation where work from home is gaining prominence and individual and family safety of prime importance. Also, considering the financial impact this lockdown has had on people, developers are also offering exciting schemes and relaxed payment options to make it easy for consumers to invest in their dream homes or office spaces. RBI has also announced a reduction in the interest rate, which makes home loans a little less expensive. Now, this is a welcome move as more and more investments will. Sorry, am I audible? Okay, so I was saying
yes, that you are audible, Ritesh.
All right. So, like I said, it was a welcome move in terms of a reduction in interest rates, because it will not only boost the sector and increase cash flows, but it will also help consumers make the purchase at never before prices. So I think overall, this is an excellent time to invest in real estate because the investment will be low and the profitability and the ROI on that investment will be very high.
Yes, Ritesh, you are completely right. And I also want to add a few points. if we talk about before lockdown situation and after lockdown situation, and if we calculate the interest rate, so now interest rate is almost 6.99. The people who bought home before lockdown, yeah, any real estate investment, if anyone is taking anyone took loan of 1 CR, EMI was around for 15 years, around 97, 98,000. Now it comes to after the lockdown 10 to 15,000, right? So it's a huge relief from the government. And plus developer are also giving good payment plans and good leave and flexibility to all our customers, because every developer is understanding roti kapda makan is the basic need, right? So, and I also want to show a slide to all my customers ki why real estate is always choice. If we compare other investment sources. So I am sharing slides which I want to show to all my customer. Yes. Yes. This is visible to all of you, Ritesh.
Yes, it is.
So now, because I have picked from through a few resources, and why real estate is the right choice, and why real estate is always real choice. Because if we talk about the CAGR, compound annual growth return of last 10 years, real estate is contributing continuously minimum 10%. And it always, real estate investment jo hota hai is always at low risk, because this is the basic need for everyone. If we compare with other sources of investment like share market, it can be zero at any time, because share market is completely depend at the market risk. But if we talk about the real estate, you will always get stable rent in terms of consistent dividend. मतलब आपका जो rent value है, it will never be zero in real estate. And plus, this is the security. This is the basic need for everyone. So real estate always on demand. If I go to next slide, which will explain how real estate industry is responding, is contributing in Indian economy. Majorly, people invest in all these sources like gold, equity, and mutual fund. If we talk about gold is contributing 10% in Indian economy, equity and mutual fund both are contributing 10%. If we talk about real estate is contributing 70% in Indian economy. If I compare nowadays, gold is at higher rate. No one is going to buy it at this time. If we check the equity and mutual fund market is almost crashed. So no one is taking risk to investing more money. Now, रियल एस्टेट ही एक ऐसा सेक्टर है जो कि 70% इंडियन इकोनॉमी में हमेशा जो है कंट्रीब्यूट करता है. Why it is 70%? Because every sector is linked with real estate. If we talk about number of jobs in CR is linked with real estate. If we talk about industries, cement industry, electronic industry, every sector is linked with real estate. That's the reasons contribution in Indian economy is 70% of real estate. So if I jump to my last slide, because this is the problem, this is the challenge nowadays, social distancing, because we all are in unlocked stage and we are wearing masks and sanitizer. Every time, anything can't vaccine 50% is resolved, because now we are in recovering stage. But yes, the problem of immediate cash flow, because all interested customers and investors join this webinar, because we are going to launch biggest investment opportunity and the smarter way to make money grow. So definitely after this webinar, you both will address and will help to all our attendees and customers. So my last question from Harshita. Harshita, Ritesh clearly told, and I also explained through presentations, yes, this is the golden opportunity to invest, and if it may be residential, it may be commercial, depends on customer choice, right? If you can explain, because if I talk about Lodha never stopped the work in lockdown also. If I compare with other developer was they were thinking even lockdown will over and will start the work. But Lodha was the only developer who's who continuously working in the lockdown also, and every team member is continuously working, and they have done good business in lockdown also. If you can explain to all our customers how real estate industry is responding during the lockdown, then definitely your views and your thought will help all our customers to choose the right product at right time. Yes, Harshita.
Yeah. So I would like to tell first of all that as soon as lockdown happened, we devised the means and ways to help out our customers if they are interested to see a property but cannot see a property because of the current situation. We applied those methods and means. How can we help our customer the most? And we came up with digital walkthrough and 360-degree experience, where sitting at your home at your convenience, you can watch the complete property, and not just the property, the location, the area around the property, the sample offices, the sample residential apartments that you see when you go to a site visit. Everything was made available online, and everything completely, starting from the floor plan to location, campus to sample offices, everything was made is at their convenience. Can have a look and go through the 360-degree virtual tour of their project. So yes, we have been really proactive when the lockdown started. Also, when we went to unlock phase, we had various measures like social distancing, visit only on appointment, sanitization, and everything is taken care of, so that and they are in a safe environment whenever they come to visit a Lodha property. So yes, Lodha has been really proactive, and we are always there, a step ahead to help our customers.
Yes, Harshita, you are right, and every developer and everyone now changed the way of selling the product as per market conditions, and because if we are not changing the way as per the situations of the market, then definitely we can't grow. So if I compare the life cycle before lockdown and nowadays, the transaction life cycle is completely decreased. So अगर हम लॉकडाउन से पहले की बात करते हैं, if any, because mostly customer comes visit the site on the weekend only, or Saturday, Sunday. So when they come, they compare the projects, they shortlist the product, then they go back, they discuss with their family members, then they shortlist the product, and next week, and they visit along with their family members, then they do the transaction. So the cycle was around 10 to 15 days minimum. But if we compare before lockdown transactions and nowadays transactions, this cycle is completely reduced to maximum 3 to 4 days. Why this is 3 to 4 days? Because we are giving complete virtual experience to same way we are addressing to all our customers, and we are giving same virtual experience to all our customers from the office, and everyone is sitting at home. They are keeping social distancing. So if they are liking the product, then we are aligning with our financial team to discuss about the loan eligibility. Everything we are doing online, and customer is taking decision within 2 or 3 days, because they are getting good offers, they are getting good price, and interest rate is lower. So the cycle of transaction is completely reduced. So definitely it's yes, this is the right time, and this is the golden opportunity to invest. Real estate is एक ऐसा sector है जो कि completely risk free sector है, if I talk about the investment sources. So now let's move forward. So this is that now let's understand about Lodha Group, and what Lodha Group is offering, and what Lodha Group is giving opportunity to all our attendees, because attendees are waiting. So what we have launched and what we are going to offer for all our customers. So I will request to Ritesh. Ritesh, can you start and can you explain about Lodha Group and what Lodha Group is going to offer for all our customers? Yes, Ritesh.
Sure, sure. Thank you. So today we will unveil for the first time in Palava one of a kind commercial real estate opportunity. But before we do that, let me quickly introduce you to Lodha brand and Palava. Now, Lodha Group is India's #1. Over the last 5 years, we have delivered 43,000 plus homes and office spaces. And every 4 out of 5 homes delivered has been delivered before time. In fact, in the last 2 years, we have delivered more than 19,000 homes before time. And that's what makes us #1. Let's move on to the next slide. True to its vision, Lodha gives its customers not just homes, but a world-class lifestyle through projects like Palava City in Dombivli, Amara, which is in Thane, Trump Tower, which is in Worli, and New Cuff Parade. Lodha has simultaneously built and delivered 6 70-story towers in the country, which is unheard of. And that's what makes Lodha stand out from the crowd. Let us today explore a little bit more about Palava. So let's go to the next slide. Palava City has been ranked #1 smart city of India by JLL's proprietary research report, which is Livability Quotient. Now, what makes this city #1? Let us explore that briefly. Okay, so moving on. Lodha is situated in the economic triangle of Navi Mumbai, Thane, and Kalyan. Over 30 dedicated bus services are available for connectivity within and outside of Palava. Approximately an hour's drive from South Mumbai via the Eastern Freeway, and you will reach Palava. It is also less than 15-minute drive away from L&T and Reliance DA Kisi, which are the business hubs. The nearest railway station is Dombivli on the Central Line and Vashi on the Harbour Line. There's a planned metro line 12 from Taloja to Kalyan, which will also have 3 stops inside Palava. Also, the close proximity to the Navi Mumbai International Airport makes it an exciting proposition. So let's move on to the next slide. So Palava is envisioned to be amongst the top 50 most livable cities in the world, and it is spread across 4,500 acres. Over 33,000 homes have been sold, and over 1 lakh residents are enjoying a world-class lifestyle in Palava. Let's move ahead. So Palava as a city has it all. So with luxurious homes and state-of-the-art infrastructure, Palava is a perfect place to enjoy life to its fullest. Be it large open spaces to enjoy fresh air, like you see the Lakeside Park, which is the 8-acre Lakeside Park, or the 2.5 kilometer long Riverside Promenade. Open spaces constitute 60% of spaces at Palava. That's the beauty of Palava. Moving on. Palava is already home to commercial towers where HDFC Bank's back office has already become operational. And by 2025, Palava International Business District will have over 7 million square feet of office spaces, all for your future expansion needs. That's what Palava is becoming. Moving on. Palava is home to 1 CBSE and 3 ICSE schools. So your children can choose to walk or cycle to the school. And with additional institutions coming up like Sri Ram Universal School, which is India's top ranked school, Lodha World School, and Pawar Public School, a lot more educational institutes are coming in to ensure the educational experience of the residents is of highest quality. Moving on. So Palava also has opportunities for every sports enthusiast dream. Olympic Sports Complex, it has swimming pools, squash courts, badminton courts, tennis courts, cricket ground with professional coaching classes, 9-hole golf course, and FIFA standard football ground. You name it, everything is available in Palava. So how does a city like Palava manage all of these things, right? Because 4,500 acres is difficult to manage. But Palava is managed by a team of professionals, which you will see on the next slide. It is managed by a team of professionals and citizens alike who ensure that the smooth functioning of the city through e-governance. This includes safety and security, transport management, waste management, water and energy management. Right? So that's how we manage. We are able to manage 4,500 acres of Palava. So that was a little bit about Lodha and Palava. It's now time to share with you the most amazing opportunity in the commercial space. And I would like to invite Ms. Harshita to unveil it to us.
Thank you, Ritesh. Palava is indeed a wonderful city, not just India's #1 smart city. And when you get an opportunity in commercial real estate, there is no comparison in India's #1 smart city. So as we all know, we are living in a challenging times, and what we have heard and realized is that grade A boutique offices are really important. You can no longer be at a place that doesn't provide you safe environment. So for sure, the boutique office market in India is going to soar great heights. Next slide, please. And what we realized after research is,
This is the video. If you allow.
Yeah, a small video for you that will give you a brief overview of Palava workplaces. Can we place the video, please?
Yes, I am playing it.
Today is an important day for our organization. Our research facility, manufacturing unit, and the management office needed to be in close proximity. After months of looking, we might be able to decide where and how our business will take its next big leap. I'd heard enough about Palava, developed by the Lodha Group, and why it is a perfect city for us to set up our business. But I wanted to see it for myself. We started from a hotel in South Mumbai and drove towards Palava. Within an hour, the landscape changed and the air cleared up. And soon enough, a very different skyline appeared on the horizon. I could hardly believe my eyes. I don't think I expected to see what I saw. As we entered the gates of Palava, I realized that it is already a functioning and bustling city. Spread over 20 square kilometers, the city is alive with more than 100,000 people living there in a short span of 7 years. This number is expected to grow to 500,000 within a few years. I can see offices already lining the roads of the city. I believe very soon, 7 million square feet of workspaces will be available to support 100,000 quality jobs. And the city's economy is slated to grow to $10 billion. I'm told that Palava has been planned around key pillars that will drive its growth. There is a huge office district planned for IT, banking, insurance, pharma, media, among other industries. People can choose to cycle or even walk to work. Fantastic, right? They even have a grade A manufacturing zone. And since the city is very close to the JNPT port and the upcoming airport, Palava is likely to become a logistics hub in the region. There is a zone that is planned as a medical city, which will have a world-class tertiary care facility. Additionally, there will be a zone with extraordinary malls, museums, and family entertainment centers that will bring life to the city. And lastly, the research and education hub that will focus on advanced skill training in conjunction with global institutes. This will ensure businesses will have the necessary trained talent base needed to succeed. 5 growth centers, all built around its people. It feels like this city is an answer to every organization's challenge of infrastructure integration. In fact, I could see that Palava has been designed for sustainable development. It probably has the largest planned green cover of a modern city in India within the city itself. While the key infrastructure is already in place, a team of professionals also has been trained and ready to assist businesses like ours in setting up our business. Palava City Management Association ensures Palava's governance meets international standards. And before I could ask them about operating costs, I was told that the costs are likely to be much lesser than any other major city in India. With the talent pool already available in and around Palava, we could have our new office up and running as early as this year. No one in our management committee is expecting that. Our teams will be able to work, learn, play, and have an unmatched quality of life. This visit has made me confident that a city of this magnitude is changing the landscape of Indian urban design, and our business can profit from it. By the end of the day, the most important decision for our organization has become a rather simple one. Palava, India's first truly green and smart city, is definitely going to be the home to our company's new integrated manufacturing, research, and office hub. Palava, City of Opportunities, Design for Business.
Thank you, Mr. Mukesh Batra. So this was a brief overview of Palava city and how is it designed for business to fulfill all your requirements. Now, as I told you that there's a positive outlook for the boutique offices, and the rental yield as well as the capital appreciation is high when it comes to boutique offices, and therefore we came up with such offering because there's a continuous demand for grade A boutique offices. Next slide, please. So giving you a brief about Lodha when it comes to commercial spaces, you know, Lodha is #1 real estate developer. And when it comes to just boutique offices, we have delivered 15 lakh square feet. I'll just run you through some of our past projects. Next slide, please. So we have this boutique offices brand, Lodha Supremus, that is in Worli Naka, in Powai, in Thane, Kanjurmarg, and all these offices are 100% sold out. It's a very successful brand, highly popular brand when it comes to boutique offices. Next slide, please. So now, given the fact that we are living in challenging times, we don't just need a world-class offices that offers amenities and features, but also provides us healthy working environment. So we'll also see how these workplaces are designed to provide you healthy working environment. So their staffs, your customers, your clients, everyone is safe in such environment. Next slide, please. So just bringing to you pre-launching codename Business Ready. I'll briefly explain you this. The image that you see towards your right is Lodha I Think A, and the image that you see towards your left is Lodha I Think B, where we have codename Business Ready. Now talking about first tower, that is Lodha I Think A, as you can see, we have HDFC Bank here, we have Axis Bank here, we have Piramal Housing and Finance Limited here. So it is the home to corporate giants. And these boutique offices that you get in codename Business Ready are just next to neighborhood of these corporate giants. Across the road, you can see towards your right that we have Expedia Mall. And talking about the location, it is right at the Kalyan Shield Road. It is in Palava Phase 1, right located on the main Kalyan Shield Road, and is surrounded by corporate giants. Now let's look what makes this commercial boutique offices so special. Next slide, please. So talking about what are the world-class features and this property offers you. So as you saw in the image that we have an iconic glass facade of Lodha I Think B, and that is next to the home of HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. Second thing is this property is OC ready. And we have various sizes available, right? Starting from 200 square feet. And you all do understand that Vastu compliant is a necessity today. This offices also provide you Vastu compliant units. Plus, we have ample parking. Parking is a luxury when it comes to Mumbai. And here we have ample parking available for all your visitors, your clients, for yourself. And additionally, we have multi-level security, like CCTV in common areas. We have boom barrier access when it comes to parking. We have different access to parking elevators and passenger elevators. So all this is really important given the fact we are living in times we don't want just anyone should come into our office without sanitization or without following basic hygiene practices. This is for the first time that I'm showing you. This is a first time ever world-class lobby of Lodha, I think B. Yes, this is the lobby of Codename Business Ready. This is the entrance lobby where your office will be located. Next slide, please. So this is not the actual picture, this is the artist impression. But if you look at the actual picture, it's even more beautiful and wonderful than the artist impression. This is the actual photograph of the lobby. It's completely ready. You can visit it at your ease, or you can also take a virtual tour of this lobby. I'll show you one more picture of the same lobby. Next slide, please. So this is how the lobby looks like. As you can see, there is ample collaborative sitting spaces. There is ample space for natural light to come in. That has a positive impact on your health. And this lobby looks no less than a 5-star hotel lobby. You can see how grand and luxurious the lobby is. It's a double height lobby with world-class amenities. Next slide, please. Now, this is also, as I told you, it's a very grand lobby. This is another side of the same lobby. And as you can see, it has ample collaborative sitting spaces for networking. I'll show you an actual picture also of this lobby. Next slide, please. So this is the actual image of the lobby. As you can see, you have an opportunity to network and collaborate with other colleagues and other companies in the same lobby. Next slide, please. As I told you, right, to the next to the Lodha Codename Business Ready, we have Lodha, I think A, that is home to HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and Piramal Housing. And this is the lobby of the same tower. This is 100% occupied, and it's a very successful brand. And we have highly heard of Lodha, I think A, from all our clients and customers. Next slide. As I told you, it's home to HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and Piramal. Next slide. So the second most important thing when it comes to Codename Business Ready is that this tower is OC ready. And so there's no GST, you save up to 12%. It's like huge savings on the cost, because you don't have to wait for the office to be OC ready. You can see and buy. You will not have any surprises later like we have in terms of under construction properties. Next slide, please. Now, third most important part, when it comes to competition, you will not find any such grade A boutique small offices in and around Palava. So it has zero competition. And what does zero competition mean is that rental yield is going to go up and there will be high capital appreciation as there is no other competition. Next slide. And given the fact that we are bringing in for the first time to the market, you have many attractive offers and incentives in this period of time till limited period. So you can leverage those opportunities and benefit from them. Next slide, please. Talking about a very important aspect of Lodha Codename Business Ready, talking about the rental yield. So currently in Palava, the commercial spaces that we have has around 6% rental yield. And given the fact that it is right at the Kalyan Shoil Road, you have HDFC Bank and Axis Bank right next to you. You have across the road Expedia Mall. All these factors guarantee you that for sure these projects and these offices will give you a good capital appreciation and rental yield. Next slide, please. So this was the basic amenities and features, but this is not only what this offices provide you. As I told you, it's a completely Vastu compliant unit. Ceiling to floor height is 4 meters. So it gives you complete flexibility to design your interior till your office looks grand. And it has, as I showed you the actual pictures, it's a double height, grand, luxurious lobby. And again, it has an ample parking available. So it's not you have a hassle-free experience whenever you enter your office. Next slide, please. Now talking about how are these healthy workspaces, because we are in times that we all know just world-class amenities and features are not just required. Also, this should be a healthy and safe environment that we need today. So talking about those aspects, so these office units have floor to ceiling windows. So it's like a complete height window for the offices that let the natural light come in. This just not reduces your electricity bill, but it also has positive impact on your health. Now, as we know that Palava has ample residential options and entertainment options, everything's available in Palava. So this also gives you an opportunity to walk to work. This will save your time, save your cost, increase your productivity. So walk to work is a great option when you have an office in Lodha codename Business Ready. Talking about the units, every unit has a provision for toilet and pantry. Also, we have a common washroom on each floor. So all these factors make it a very healthy workspace, and more so ever, it is professionally managed and it is well maintained by the professional services. So you don't have to worry who is visiting your office. Whoever is visiting has gone through proper temperature checks or has gone through sanitization. Everything will be taken care by third-party services and professional management. Next slide, please. As I told you, we have limited inventory of
Harshita, you are not audible. Ritesh?
I think there could be a connectivity issue. That's
Ritesh, you can explain it.
Yeah, so there is a limited inventory available for the boutique offices that you see on the screen. So a total of 36 units are available. 300 to 400 square feet, you have about 11, 200 to 300, again 11, and less than 200, you have 14 units that are available. Okay, moving on. So the special offer 250 square feet office is at 63 lakhs. That's the special offer. And obviously you will receive more information as and when we progress. But that's something that you must make note of, that this is the comparative pricing that we've come up with. Okay. And these are all inclusive prices. So that's the floor plan for you to quickly take a look at. The boutique offices, how they are shaped, enough ample spacing, walkways, corridors that have been created so that there is enough movement and social distancing is maintained even in situations like this. So, so that's the floor plan, just to give you an overview of how a floor plan would look like. So 3 high-speed elevators, various sizes are available like we saw in the previous slide as well, less than 200, 200 to 300 and 300 and above. And 80% of the units have floor to ceiling windows. So that ensures enough lighting that will come into your. So I think that's the offering really. So thank you for your time, and we are now open for questions if you do have any.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Ritesh, and we already received a couple of questions from our customers, and so let's start it. And one question is coming from Mr. Anil, and he's asking what is the location, exact location of this tower, and what is the advantage if we compare in terms of ROI?
Sure. So, so the location that you've seen, like Harshita mentioned, it is in phase 1, right next to the Experia Mall. So it's on the Kalyanshil Road. It is the area around it is highly developed as well. The Experia Mall is right opposite. So that's where the location is. And yeah.
So next question is coming, and price which you have mentioned, 63 lakhs all inclusive. Any hidden charges in this price?
So no, as we said, it is all inclusive pricing. So there won't be any hidden charges. And once you meet with our team, you will get all the adequate and relevant information that is required for you to make the purchase. So everything clearly will be outlined not just in our communication, verbal communication, but also in our written communication.
Okay. So Mr. Iftihakar Khatib is asking in which phase it is available. So I want to answer. This tower is available in phase 1, just opposite to Expedia Mall. Correct me, Tish, if
That's right.
Okay. So next question is, this is when we are giving possession of this tower, Mr. Ritesh.
I will have to check that information. We can note down the person who has asked us this question, and then we can reach out to them.
Okay. So, and I also want to add one more thing. Right now, EOI phase is going. EOI means expression of interest, because demand is very high, and we have only limited number of units, which clearly shown to 3 slides back. And we have total units of 36, and we have received a couple of EOIs because we started this launch just 5 to 6 days back. And if anyone is interested, so we are taking EOI of 99,000 rupees. Ritesh, correct me if I am wrong. We are taking EOI expression of interest of 99,000 rupees. And this EOI is completely IMPS, RTGS, yeah, NFT, no check is accepted. And we are opening a booking window. We are starting booking from 15 August, right? So what we will do, we will invite to all EOI customers. No fresh customer will be entertained on 15 August. If any inventory left after 15 August, then we'll entertain to fresh customers, because already received, we have couple of EOIs. So our main priority is to give unit to those customers who has taken interest earlier, and they have submitted the EOI. So if anyone is interested, you can reply on the email ID which you received confirmations from House Seekers. Yeah, our sales team definitely will connect with all of you after this webinar to explain the process, and they will share the details, and they will explain you the details, which inventories are available and which options are available. You can choose the option, you can mark your interest. So when you will give the token, we will generate the priority number. On basis of your number sequence, we will invite you on from 15 August, right? So this is the process we are following right now. So we are not allocating the unit just because we have only limited number of units. We are taking expression of interest. So we'll start the booking process from 15 August, because this booking window will be open only for 1 or 2 days maximum. Yes, anything, Mr. Ritesh, if you want to add, if I have missed anything?
No, I think we've covered the adequate information that is to be given. So nothing from my end to be added.
So, yes, and how much rent we can expect from 250 square feet office, Mr. Amit Desai is asking. Ritesh?
Yes.
Mr. Amit Desai is asking, yes, Harshita is back. So,
yeah, so sorry about the interruption.
No problem. Yeah. We covered all these things, and Mr. Ritesh explained the prices and options available. So now, if you can answer the question of our customer, Mr. Anil Desai is asking, and how much ROI we can expect if they invest in this?
Sure. So given the fact, I'll give you a very realistic example. Currently in Palava, we have like 30 to 35,000 per month rent. When I compare that to cost, it's around 6%. So 6% rental yield is the present rental yield. Of course, given the fact it's right at the Kalyan Shield Road, next to Axis Bank and HDFC Bank offices, opposite to Expedia Mall. Also, it's like very limited units that we have available. As you would have seen, it's just 36 units available. And there is no competition in boutique offices. Of course, the rental yield is sure to go up and above 6% as well.
Yes, and multiple customers are asking about the parkings and other details. So I want to add one thing in all questions. Just now we are taking only EOI, expression of interest. When we will allocate the unit, everything will be mentioned on the price sheet. right? So the price quoted by 63 lakhs all in, this is the all in prices. But yes, you will get some sweetener when we will open the booking window. But yes, only EOI customers will be invited and will give the opportunity to book to only EOI customers, because we have only limited number of units, and this window will be open only for 1 or 2 days maximum. Anything about the process, Harshita, if you want to add, then because I already explained, this is currently we are taking the EOI of 99,000 rupees, which is completely refundable, right? So we will generate the token amount, and this token amount will be issued to all EOI customers on basis of sequence of token number. We will start inviting from 15 August. Right?
Yeah, sure.
First
Yeah.
come, first serve basis.
Yeah, so only thing I would like to mention here is, because it's like the first time ever in Palava. Palava has all the options, entertainment option, residential options. It has offices for corporate giants and big banks, but it's for the first time in Palava that we have for boutique offices for small businessmen and SMEs. So as I told you, because we have just limited 36 units and we are receiving a very great response from the market, I would request, if you are someone who's looking for a grade A offices, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Given the fact we have 80% of the units have like complete window, outside view available, everything. You would have seen the floor plans. So I would say that this is like a never before opportunity that Lodha as a brand brings to you in commercial real estate. That's all from. Is there any other question that?
Yes, we already answered all questions to all of our customers, and position they are asking, Mr. Rajan Rustagi is asking what is the position. So this is completely ready to office spaces.
So it's OC ready. Possession is in December.
Okay, so we are
positions
from December.
Right. Yeah, but it's a completely OC ready office. As I showed you the actual pictures of the lobby, everything is completely ready with all the fit outs and everything.
Okay. So thank you so much, Ritesh and Harshita, for giving your precious time to answer all queries of our customers and to explain about the opportunity. If anyone is interested from our customers, you can reply on the email ID from which you receive the confirmations invitation message. Otherwise, our sales team is going to connect with every interested customers, and we will align the meeting with our dedicated closing manager. If anyone wants to visit and anyone wants to see the locations, most welcome. We can schedule the site visit also. So this is the brief and this is the process we are following for this commercial stuff. Yes. Thank you so much. Thanks again to all of you for joining this webinar. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.